Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for a maternity dress to wear on different occasions that's going to last you throughout your whole pregnancy and even afterwards, you're going to want to check out this beautiful maternity dress. It's a floral print. I love the color so much, and the fit is so nice. I'm 39 weeks pregnant here and it's still super comfortable. I love that you can use it even after a pregnancy for nursing. It's so convenient. You just lift the top right up, and the fact that it has two pockets is so convenient as well. I love the print. The floral print is really classy. You can definitely dress this up or down for any occasion. You can wear it to work, to run errands, for anything. So if you're in the market for a maternity dress, definitely check out this beautiful floral dress from OUGES. You're gonna love the quality. It's so comfy and you can wear it for so many different occasions. I really think you'll like it, and that's my point of view.